I told you that starting in 2026, Social Security could legally stop your entire monthly check, even if you've done nothing wrong? No scam, no rumor, no exaggeration. This is a real rule change, quietly being updated by the Social Security Administration, and millions of seniors are not prepared. If Social Security is your main source of income, you must watch this carefully, because one mistake, one misdetail, or one misunderstanding could put your entire benefit at risk. Let's break this down calmly, clearly, and honestly. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're retired, planning to retire, or helping a loved one who depends on Social Security, this video is extremely important. Today, we're talking about new SSA enforcement rules rolling into 2026, what they mean for your monthly check, and how to protect yourself before it's too late. This isn't meant to scare you, but it is meant to prepare you. Let's be very clear from the start. Social Security is not ending. Benefits are not disappearing for everyone. But in 2026, the SSA will have expanded authority to pause payments, withhold full monthly checks, recover overpayments more aggressively, and act faster when rules are violated. And yes, in some cases, that means your entire check can be stopped. One of the biggest reasons checks may be stopped in 2026 is overpayments. An overpayment happens when Social Security pays you more than you were legally entitled to. Here's the problem. Most overpayments are not intentional. They usually happen because income changes weren't reported on time, work hours increased, a spouse passed away or divorced, living arrangements changed, disability status changed. Even a small reporting delay can trigger a large overpayment over time. Before, SSA typically withheld a small percentage of your check each month. Starting in 2026, the SSA can withhold 100% of your monthly benefit, do it faster than before, and require repayment before benefits resume. That means no partial check, no gradual deduction, no long delay. Your check can be paused completely. That's what makes this so dangerous. Social Security law does not require intent. If the SSA believes you are overpaid, you failed to report a change, or you didn't respond to notices, they can still take action, even if it was an honest mistake. This is critical. Social Security communicates mostly by mail. If you moved and didn't update your address, ignored a letter, didn't understand a notice, or missed a response deadline, your benefits could be paused automatically. Many seniors lose benefits simply because they never saw the warning letter. Under the 2026 rules, response windows are shorter, appeals must be filed faster, and late replies may be rejected. Miss a deadline, and your check could stop until the issue is resolved. No phone call, no courtesy reminder, just a paused deposit. You may be at higher risk if you still work part-time, you recently retired, you receive disability benefits, you receive survivor benefits, your income fluctuates, you moved recently, or you help manage benefits for someone else. If any of these apply to you, this update matters a lot. Now let's talk solutions, because there are ways to protect yourself. 1. Report all changes immediately. Income, work hours, marital status, living situation. Report everything ASAP. Even if you're unsure, report it. 2. Open every SSA letter. Never ignore mail from Social Security, even if it looks confusing. If you don't understand it, get help. 3. Create a My SSA account. Online access lets you track notices, review payments, and catch problems early. This is one of the best protections available. 4. Appeal quickly. If you receive an overpayment notice, you can appeal, you can request a waiver, you can negotiate repayment, but timing matters. Yes, only if you act fast. You may be able to prove the overpayment wasn't your fault, show repayment causes financial hardship, or request partial withholding instead. Waiting too long reduces your options. The biggest danger in 2026 is not knowing the rules have changed. Social Security is becoming stricter, faster, and less forgiving, but preparation makes all the difference. Stay informed, stay organized, and never ignore SSA communication. If this video helped you understand what's coming in 2026, please like, share, and subscribe. You never know, sharing this could protect someone's entire retirement income. We'll continue breaking down Social Security updates in simple, honest language so you can stay protected and confident. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.